This Wi-Fi 6 repeater has a bandwidth of up to 6 gigabits per second with high speeds of 4,800 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz frequency and 1,100 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. And on top, there are two 1 gigabit per second Ethernet ports and a 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet port for connecting devices and increasing connection stability. An Ethernet cable is included in the box, as well as a base for mounting the router on a wall or placing it vertically. It took us only a few minutes to set it up. Simply download the TP-Link Tether app and select the network you want to extend. In addition, a WPS button allows you to connect the repeater to the router without having to enter a password. Once configured, this repeater offers a location assistant feature that indicates whether it is properly positioned in relation to the router. The app is easy to use and educational. You can manually select the 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz band for either the main or extended network. The repeater also incorporates Easy Mesh and One Mesh technologies. Easy Mesh allows you to connect routers and repeaters from different brands to create a mesh Wi-Fi network. One Mesh technology allows you to connect compatible TP-Link devices to form a unified mesh network. During our test, we placed the repeater in a house one floor away from a fiber-equipped router. Once the repeater was turned on, we recorded an average of 250 megabits per second for downloads and 46 megabits per second for uploads. In addition, overall, it proved to be very stable. In conclusion, thanks to its 2.4 gigahertz frequency capable of reaching up to 1,100 megabits per second, this repeater is particularly effective at covering large areas. Its 5 gigahertz frequency also offers very high speeds.